Hello there, my friends, and welcome. If I could share with you a proven step by step six-figure blueprint that was created by a grandmother of six children and five grandchildren who went from zero experience, zero technical skills, and zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months, who's actually gone on to earn more than 4 million in 2 years. Would you be interested in learning more? What I love about this blueprint is that she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn six figures. And so far, she's actually helped 18 South Africans become South African millionaires, right, in South African rands. And she's helped over 100 members of our community earn six figures. And we actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship from these six-figure earners. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. I remember back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts, still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to work on my side hustles. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending more money and I was earning online. And I felt like I was in this hamster wheel living as I went round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that. Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, network marketing, crypto trading. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way, everything changed for me. So last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends, and I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. So let me go ahead and share with you proof. If you're wondering, can you really make money in digital marketing and become a millionaire? I want to share with you real proof of that happening in our community. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen right here like this, right? So I'm going to go into our community, and then I'm just going to do a search here, right? I'm just going to search millionaire. Okay, so we're going to see some wins being posted in our community from people who have become millionaires. So let's see. Being interviewed by a millionaire, okay, like she's one of is she the first millionaire? Yeah, I think, yeah, she's the Christelle. No, that's a different one. There's so many of them, right? So I want to see, I'm a millionaire, Ron, the money's, oh, he's talking about the future. South African millionaires this week alone, this was in August 2024, 3 millionaires in South Africa. Congratulations, you're an inspiration for the rest of us, right? Michelle, 100 millionaire, let me see. Cecilia, this is the first South African millionaire, and she's actually congratulating Christelle, and Christelle is actually this lady here in this interview here. So let me see who else. How many self-made millionaires are in a community worldwide? South African club currency, let's see. And yeah, so I could keep, let me see, let me do it this way. I could keep going to the next page, right? Millionaire progress, soon to be a millionaire. Future millionaire, I'm next millionaire in South Africa. I did it, people, I did it. What a road, but I did it. $300 came in, took me to the millionaire status, and millionaires in the making, millionaire mindset. Yeah, so this is the different, the classroom here has, these are the different trainings that have millionaire in them. So they could be by our millionaire mentors, and then members. Let me see if I go to members here. These are the different members that have millionaire in their thing. But officially, we have 18 South Africans earn become millionaire in South African rands, and our creator of this course is a multi-millionaire as well. Okay, so these what I'm loving about the program is that these multi-millionaires are actually coaching us every single week. We're getting live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners, and it's absolutely priceless because they've used the exact same system to become millionaires. So I want to just share with you to show you where we get the live interactive. So this calendar here shows you this is where our live interactive coaching and mentorship comes up. In the calendar here, I can just click here to today at 7 p.m. where I can get some mindset and Q&A training, and I can ask any questions, and every single week we have that. And this classroom here is where we have this platform is a bonus site. You get an app on your phone, you can access it on a browser like I am. But what's the most powerful is this 90-day runs where a multi-millionaire sends us a video for 90 days. We're on day 63, so today is day 64. The video is going to show up here with some assignments for us to do. Sometimes she talks about mindset, sometimes skill set, and we have mindset training. We have a content vault. We have mentoring calls that we've the replays are there just to show you. We have loads of them there as well. Okay. So this is what our bonus site, not actually the actual site that you get. That's even better. It has the blueprints in there. This is extra where you have access to this thriving community. You can ask questions, you can interact, get any support that you need. Now, if you're interested in learning more, I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your Freedom Formula Blueprint, because I'm on a mission to work really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. Now, when I deliver this blueprint, check your email. Make sure that you check your spam folder and respond to the email. Let's have a conversation, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.